Samsung Galaxy A32 5G with 48-megapixel camera. Samsung is reportedly working on its upcoming Galaxy A32 5G. The upcoming mid-range device is touted to be the successor to the Galaxy A31, which was launched in March this year. The Galaxy A32 5G is expected to carry the model number A32. Leaked details also suggested the device may retain the 48-megapixel primary shooter from its predecessor. Earlier this year, the South Korean giant had filed trademark applications for 9 new smartphones in its Galaxy A series, which feature the Galaxy A32 as well. Dutch blog Galaxy Club in a report citing sources said that the Samsung Galaxy A32 5G is in the works. It said that the upcoming phone may feature a 48-megapixel primary sensor, just like the Galaxy A31. However, instead of the 5-megapixel depth sensor found in Samsung's current generation of phones, the Galaxy A32 5G might carry a 2-megapixel one. The report also suggested that the Galaxy A32 5G may come with the model number A32. The upcoming phone is also expected to be among Samsung's mid-range offerings of phones with 5G support. Earlier in January, Samsung had filed applications to trademark the names of 9 new phones in its Galaxy A series. The devices include Samsung Galaxy A12, Samsung Galaxy A22, Samsung Galaxy A32, Samsung Galaxy A42, Samsung Galaxy A52, Samsung Galaxy A62, Samsung Galaxy A72, Samsung Galaxy A82, and Samsung Galaxy A92. Out of these, the 5G variant of Galaxy A42 was reportedly listed on China's 3C website last week. With the model number SMA426B, the phone was listed with a 4,860 mAh battery, leading to speculations that the final battery capacity may be 5,000 mAh when launched. Galaxy A42 5G is also expected to come with 128 GB of onboard storage. Earlier this month, another report suggested that Samsung may bring optical image stabilization (OIS) technology to its upcoming high-end Galaxy A series models, most likely Galaxy A81 and Galaxy A91. Both the phones are expected to launch in 2021. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.